Hi everyone, my name is Scott Roman. I'm the Executive Director of Certificate Programs with Wall Street Prep. We specifically designed these programs to be tough, differentiated by their rigor, to give them teeth, requiring you to invest time and effort to earn your certificate. My name is Eric Hamburger. I'm the Managing Director of Wharton Online at the Wharton School. And really what that means is I've got the fun privilege of working with our Wall Street Prep friends to design programs that we think you all deserve.
We're 2 years in and I'm pretty proud of what we've been able to build. With their collaboration, your learning experience is even more hands-on. You get analytical and technical skills that the top professionals in their fields use every single day, while grounding those skills in the rigor of Wharton's research-driven approach.
Just in our Slack workspace alone, we have over 5,000 active members. So there are plenty of networking opportunities, but what I really wanted to point out is that you are going to maintain lifetime access to all of those networking opportunities, and we really encourage you to take advantage of all of them.
Success is not about knowing everything. It's about having the courage to act on a spark. I truly believe that communities like this aren't just nice to have, they are going to define the outcomes of our times. We've learned the formulas, we've built the model, we got the certificate, which is a huge feat in and of itself, but our greatest returns will come from each other, and they'll come from who we become when we get to act on the spark, connect across communities and asset classes, and lead with conviction. Congratulations.